How to make money online in 2022. Unlock the life you've always dreamed of. Starting an online business has never been easier. There is literally nothing stopping you from driving the supercar, living in the penthouse, traveling the world, and landing the girl of your dreams. This video is going to teach you exactly how to make money online step by step in 2022. Starting a business in 2022 is relatively simple and requires virtually no startup capital. You can start today and bring in your first $10,000 within a month. Without further delay, let's get into the first tip. Step 1. Pick a business model. So many of you go wrong here and choose the wrong business model and handicap your success. Choosing a business model to make money quickly is kind of like choosing a shovel to dig a hole. If you start digging with a plastic spoon, you can still dig the same hole, it's just going to require tons of extra time and effort, which quite frankly you don't have. You're already working 40 hours a week and have other responsibilities on top of that, so the last thing you need is an inefficient business model to invest even more non-existent time into. There are only 3 business models that are actually worth your time in 2022. Arbitrage, dropshipping, or social media. First, let's explore the arbitrage niche. Arbitrage involves the purchasing and reselling of goods and services for a premium. Honestly, arbitrage is just another word for business, as this is how all businesses make a profit. Of course, you can do the typical retail and eBay arbitrage, but this is very time-consuming and costly. I would only recommend retail arbitrage if you live near an outlet mall and can access designer or sneaker outlets. You can easily compare their selling price on StockX with the in-store retail price, and you can buy multiple of the same item at a time if you find a profitable item. For those of you who don't have an interest in the fashion industry and want something a little easier to scale, I would recommend crypto arbitrage. Because cryptocurrency and NFTs are a relatively new niche and different crypto exchanges are competing for market control, there are often vast price discrepancies between different platforms for the same crypto coin. So, all you have to do is spot this discrepancy and resell the entity on the more expensive platform. StockX and crypto exchanges work great for arbitrage because you don't have to invest any money into marketing, as it sells the items for you automatically. If you have a knack for analyzing data efficiently, arbitrage is for you. Dropshipping is the staple of the make money online niche for a reason. This is simply the easiest business model to start and scale of them all. Shopify is the only platform you should consider using, as it's the original website and Oberlo works flawlessly with AliExpress. You can set up a store in less than a day, and as long as you can find a way to drive traffic to your site, you will be making tons of sales in no time. Drop shipping is far superior to affiliate marketing because generating traffic is required for both business models, but at least with drop shipping you get 100% of the profits. Building a social media following is without a doubt the best and most lucrative method to make money online. If you can build a consistent following on YouTube especially, you will be set for life. YouTube audiences are historically the most loyal audiences, and you can expand your brand into drop shipping or any other venture you desire. YouTube also pays you just for posting content, so you don't even need to make supplementary businesses, as the channel itself is a business. No matter what business you start, being able to develop traffic through social media is paramount, and that's why I would suggest starting off with building a social media following. Personally, I wouldn't even try with Instagram, as it's a mix between TikTok and YouTube, which is honestly useless. If you want quick, easy, and unsustainable views, TikTok is the way to go. If you want steady but less rapid growth, YouTube is the move. If you can build a solid reputation on social media, this opens the course building avenue, which is a very lucrative business to get into. Step 2. Analyze the gurus. If you want to know how to propel your business into stardom, look at what the gurus selling the $10,000 courses are doing. Don't specifically listen to what they are telling you to do, it's their job to make you feel like you need their help in order to succeed, but in actuality you don't. Instead, analyze what methods and business models they are employing to convince you to purchase from them. This is where you will gain real insights into what is actually working and what the future of e-commerce truly is. Pay attention to where they are focusing their time and spending their money. Reflect on why you like that specific guru and what psychological tactics or marketing methods they employed to sway you to follow them. Gurus do have valuable advice to offer, it's just not where you might initially think. Step 3. Start your business. Now that you've selected a business model and analyzed the gurus in the niche, you actually need to start your business. Make a list of tasks you need to accomplish and do the one you least want to do first. For some reason, us humans have a strong urge to resist exactly what we know we should do. You know you have to finish that paper, yet you postpone it to clean your room. Cleaning your room is still productive, but in the long run it will hamper your academic success. Learn to do what you least want to do first, so that you can make larger strides in your business and enjoy the rest later. You already know what you have to do, all that's left is to actually do it. Hopefully these tips provided some clarity to guide your entrepreneurship journey. If you enjoyed the video or found it useful, feel free to share it with your friends and drop a like and a comment below. I'll see you in the next one. Do the tough stuff, especially when you think you've done enough.